going to have a look at creating a class. Remember, a class is a blueprint or a plan for objects. We can't manipulate them until they've been instantiated and an object's been created. And they all start off with initial variables. These are set using parameters, and every class needs to have a constructor method, something we call upon from the main class to create it. In Java, I'm creating a new application. Remember, the default is to create a main class. As I'm not interested in the main class and I want to create another class, I go to File, New File, and click on Java Class. I'm going to call mine example class because this is what I'm doing. My example class is going to store information about people. So I'm going to have instance variables relating to people: first name, surname, age. Next, I'm going to create the constructor method. This is a method that's called from the main class in order to create an object we can manipulate. Inside the brackets is the formal parameters. This is the values that the class expects from the main method when creating the object. It can be used to set the initial values of the instance variables. Next, we're going to create accessor methods. Accessor methods allow us to get the information from the object. The return value should match the variable type that we're returning. For example, in this one I'm returning the first name, so the return type is string. You should create an accessor method for each instance variable in your class. Next, we'll create a mutator method. These are the methods that can be used to change the initial values that we've set our object. For example, this one, have a birthday, will add 1 to the age that we set when we first create the object.